Smart Clerk AI is one of the most exciting AI software releases I've seen in a while, and in this video I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or just someone who's curious about the new wave of AI technology, this software could change the way you work. Stick around to the end, as I'll be sharing some key insights that you don't want to miss. First off, Smart Clerk AI is designed to help automate and streamline your daily business operations. It's a powerful tool for simplifying repetitive tasks like customer support, scheduling, or data management. What sets it apart from other AI tools is its level of customization, allowing you to tailor it to your business needs. You can try Smart Clerk AI for free by clicking the first link in the description below. I've spent a lot of time testing various AI tools, and I believe Smart Clerk AI offers a ton of value right out of the gate, especially considering its ease of use and wide range of functionalities. The first thing you'll notice about Smart Clerk AI is its incredibly user-friendly interface. If you've ever used AI tools before and got lost in a complex dashboard, this won't be an issue here. It's designed for anyone to jump in and start using, no tech experience required. Everything is clearly laid out, with an intuitive workflow that helps you hit the ground running. The second thing that makes Smart Clerk AI stand out is its automated task management. Imagine having a tool that can handle repetitive tasks for you, like responding to customer inquiries or sending follow-up emails. It integrates with your existing CRM, saving you hours each week. If you've been manually handling customer inquiries or follow-ups, this feature alone can pay for itself in no time. Another huge benefit is Smart Clerk's AI-powered analytics. The software can pull insights from your data, offering you actionable recommendations. For example, it can analyze your customer interactions and suggest improvements for customer service or sales strategies. It's like having a data scientist on your team, helping you optimize your operations with minimal effort. One feature I was particularly impressed by is its natural language processing, NLP, capabilities. The AI is able to understand and respond to customer queries with surprising accuracy, making interactions feel more human. This is especially helpful if you're looking to provide 24/7 customer service or scale your support team without adding more staff. Smart Clerk AI also offers a high level of customization. Whether you want to set up automated workflows, integrate it with third-party tools, or create custom reporting dashboards, you have the flexibility to mold the software around your business needs. This is especially important for businesses with unique requirements. What's also worth mentioning is the scalability of Smart Clerk AI. It's designed to grow with your business. You won't have to worry about outgrowing the software as you scale. The platform offers tiered pricing options that can accommodate small startups to large enterprises, making it a great long-term investment. Finally, let's talk about security. Smart Clerk AI takes data security seriously, implementing industry-standard encryption and protocols to ensure your data is protected. As someone who's worked with a variety of AI tools, I can tell you that security is often overlooked, but Smart Clerk has you covered. If you're still on the fence about Smart Clerk AI, I highly recommend you give it a try. You can sign up for a free trial through the first link in the description and see for yourself why so many people are excited about this software. And if you're interested in exploring other AI tools, I've included a list of my recommended AI software in the description as well. After testing thousands of AI solutions, these are the ones I've found to be the most effective and reliable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.